everybody, and welcome to today's elevaTOURS by Dieselducy unboxing. Today I am going to be unboxing and showing you something that is right at 15 years old and for all intents and purposes new in the box from 2009. This right here is a 4.7's Quark RGB flashlight. It's actually a very rare flashlight because not very many of this flashlight was made, and it was pretty much just for flashaholics. While it's a very cool flashlight, it's not the most useful flashlight, but for what I use it for, it's perfect. Video lighting. So with that being said, let's go ahead and open it up. It has this really neat box, which magnetic flaps. It's got this texture on it, but as you open the box, it is presented very nicely. Pause if you want to read this. This tells their story. And here is how the flashlight was presented. Yes, there's a lot of cardboard and plastic. And does this open up even further? Look at this. Definitely take a pause and read this. So yeah, this is pretty cool. It shows inside the flashlight. Speaking of inside, like I said, this thing is almost 15 years old. This is March 2024 right now. And I believe this flashlight came out in 2009 or 2010. So out of the box it comes. No eco-friendly packaging here. Plastic. So with that being said, let's open this plastic. It opens like this. And you have a holster with a lanyard on it. Has the company logo on it. 2 batteries. Energy dense flashlight food. I wonder if these batteries still work. We're going to try them. Spare O-rings. This rubber doohickey. Oh, it says on it, hand grip. And here's the best part. Ooh, ah. Get ready for it. A brand new old stock Quark RGB made by 4.7's. Cree MCE RGB emitter, I believe. You can see the white, red, green, and blue. Clicky switch. So let's go ahead and put the batteries in this thing. Brand new. You can tell this is like never been used. I had this in my collection. It was sitting in my basement and in a box for years and years, and I just found it recently. Alright, we got the batteries in. Moment of truth. Let's see if this thing works, if these batteries even have any juice. Oh wow, it does. For purpose of the camera, we're going to dim it down. Alright, now we got it on a dim setting. So you have low, medium, high, bright, turbo, SOS, blinky, beacon, and then you go back to low. Loosen the head, you go to your colors. Red, green, blue. Red, green, blue. And you have, I think it's on medium, high, bright, turbo, SOS, blinky, beacon, and then we start all over again. I will now dim the lights and I will show you the different colors. Alright, the lights are dim. We'll go ahead and get to the brightest setting on both white and the colors. Alright, we are now on the brightest setting. This is white. There's red, green, blue. And when I said this was not the most useful light, it depends on your application. So we're going to put on white. This light is a pure floodlight. As you can see, no hot spot whatsoever. So for photography and video lighting, which is what I would use this light for, it's absolutely perfect. It lights up the whole room. Now we'll look at the whole room in the colors. Red, green, blue. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing and demonstration of this really cool, rare, and quirky flashlight that, as you can see, uses a lot of packaging. And to answer everybody's question that I'm sure they would ask in the comments, yes, I do have another Quark RGB, which I have an AirTag on, which I do daily use, and it has quite a few battle scars. This flashlight was more of a gimmick than anything, but as far as a video light in an elevator, this is probably the best flashlight I own. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm glad I found these flashlights in the basement because I thought I had lost them. That'll be it. Uh-oh, the video's over. But it doesn't have to be. You can always watch more, and you know what to do. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.